Right, so this is how you're going to do the domino creations with the Flipgrid response. So you click on the domino trail activity, and you're going to create whatever program you want. They have a program that's there. You can kind of get rid of whatever you want to get rid of. Use all the things that you've tried so far to create a pattern that you like, and at some point your robot will knock the dominoes down. You can use this utility section to delete the trail, change the domino colors, and set to random. You can use the gyro sensor to change angles, touch sensor in case it's hit, and the repeat button as well as the weight. Sensors to reset the gyro sensor, and then your motor choices for your drive power there. You're going to use this and make a video. So once you get done creating what you have, you're going to go to the Flipgrid activity, and there's a video from Mr. McNeil that explains how to use Flipgrid, but if you're not sure, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So you click on this and take it to our video here, and you're basically going to click on the big green plus sign. If you're in the one that says Robotics Kahoot, you do not have to do the Kahoot one. That's an alternate assignment. So click on the one that says Robotics Domino Creations. You're going to click on the plus sign, and then you'll have the option to record. So if you want to just record your domino creation, you click on the three dots and you click on Screen Recording Beta. Start screen recording, and then I'm going to go directly to the Chrome tab with Coder Z in it. So now I can create my Flipgrid. It's going to allow me to record. If you're having trouble with Flipgrid itself, you're going to be able to add your volume, your everything there. So the next thing you're going to hit next. I'll go back and do Flipgrid issues in a second. Selfie. So if you don't want to take a picture of yourself, just cover it up. Blackboard, whiteboard, draw a picture, post a sticker, whatever you want. Hit that selfie button, and then when you go to hit next, it will upload. All you have to do one more last time is hit submit video, and it will upload your video to the class. So if you're having trouble with the audio, click on the three dots, click on audio, and see if it says audio on. If you're still having trouble with it, you can also record it from outside your computer with a phone. Just record your screen. You can just click add video clip, or you can go to Flipgrid and record live. Just hit the flip camera button and record your live screen. All right, that's all I've got. If you have any more questions, let me know, and I will be happy to help with them.